Everyone, greetings from my end. I'm Samuel, and today we'll be looking at the creation of virtual machines on Microsoft Azure. So, without wasting much time, let's quickly visit the Azure page. So, this is the page, and as you can see, I have already created my virtual machine. And whenever you visit the page and you want to be clear, you can just visit the virtual machine column and then quickly you can see your information there. Okay, but let me quickly walk you through the creation of a new virtual machine. So we come to the create and then virtual machine, and from the basics, yes, we are actually subscribing for students. Okay, so virtual machine name, this is where your last name comes with the 235 or whatever name you are being asked to input, and then you also look at your availability zones. Okay, so don't forget to change the image, which is the operating system, to the Windows Server, the most current Windows Server, let me say that. And then also um, the size. Okay, I actually went for a low cost virtual machine, so you can change it to what suits or what suits the requirement. Okay, so I think I've been through the steps already. You can also move. Make sure that the inbound port is always at RDP 3389. Don't forget to write that or check that. And then you move to the next stage, which has to do with the disk. You select the disk per the requirement, and then also move on to your networking. Mostly we leave this to the default settings. Okay, and then at management um, session, that is where we can highlight the auto shutdown, giving us the shutdown time and then a time zone. Okay, I happen to be in Africa, so I chose the GMT, which I think falls within my time zone. And then you can also optionally subscribe for the email notification. Okay, so I think I did that. You can leave the rest of the sessions to the default settings. Okay, to you review and create. Okay, so that is that. I told you, I said, like I said earlier, I've already done that. And then usually after the creation of the virtual machine, um, you are being you are being taken to the deployment process, where after the deployment you have the option to click on the resource. Okay, usually after clicking on the resource, it brings you to the overview where you can click to connect. You can click to connect. Okay, and then don't forget to download the RDP files when you come to that page. Okay, that is what is going to give you the remote access. Okay, and then usually when you have this and you click, I've done that already. When you click, this is what you get, and you have to click connect to access it. And yes, you are being prompted to input your password, which I did earlier on. So let's move on. So as you can see, it's opening. It says you have been disconnected because another connection was made to the remote computer. Like I said, I've already opened it already. Okay, so whenever you find yourself in the remote access, uh, just search for this PC, and it's going to tell you, I mean, the user. Okay, you're going to get the information, every information you needed to prove that that's you on the PC. Okay, that is you accessing from the remote side. So this is the PC name. You can see 32, 35, and then let's quickly go down. So that's matches the requirement. Okay, so back to the overview, you can also see that I have the auto shutdown enabled, which 6 o'clock a.m. as my scheduled shutdown time, and GMT as the standard uh, time. Okay, so basically, I think I've exhausted every requirement uh, being asked from my end. Okay, so I think I've done that already. All right, thank you viewers for your time. See you.